Mr. Mkhwanazi, or General Mkhwanazi, was very, very adamant in saying that the letter of establishing the PKTT was not written by the minister. And knowing the minister as I do, as you have correctly also confirmed earlier today, then I was taken aback because I know that Mncwango has capacity to do things, including drafting that letter. But Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi insisted that no, Honorable Minister would not write that letter. But when I went through the bungles here, I came across a letter which was written to a certain Mary Haas to the minister. And if I were to quote some of the things that she said, in paragraph 1, she says, I request that you, meaning the minister, 1, instruct the National Commissioner of SAPS to immediately disband the irregularly constituted, unnecessary, and wasteful political killings task team. The use of the word disband immediately. Then one goes on to look at the letter that the minister has actually written, the directive of the minister. It also comes with the word immediately. Then I want to believe that that actually is what prompted Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi, among other things, to believe that the minister actually did not write this letter. What would be your take on that, Honorable Mncwango?
There is no evidence whatsoever that that statement is based on. The letter was written by me at my home, and it was dispatched from my gadget. That statement was made doesn't mean that it is factual.
Well, thank you. I don't want to pursue that. But the fact is, this is Mary Haas, and you know that we all know Mary Haas, and we all know her role in the violence that actually took place, unfortunately, in our province. She always played a desktop kind of research, which actually did not help in resolving the conflict that, resulted in the death of so many people in that province. So I don't want, because she would be coming here, I don't want to say anything more about her. Safe to say that some of the families are still bleeding because of her role in the unnecessary conflict that actually occurred in KwaZulu-Natal.